Hi, my name's Jack Coben, and right now we're currently doing a rebuild of the bike park. So basically, we have 3 new mountain bike lines going in for basically people that have just got on a mountain bike before and just want to cruise around before heading out on the trail. So we have some wooden elements and some rock elements. And also we have a little mountain bike jump line here, which can help mountain bikers practice doing some little takeoffs before heading out to the trail.
So we were able to build some features for the mountain bikers, a new skill table line for mountain bikers and intermediate riders, and a dirt jump line more so for intermediate riders to learn and progress for the expert line. We have a hefty crew of just the Elk Grove locals, and to anyone that comes out for a day and wants to help out dig. I mean, they're as much volunteers as anyone else. So.